Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you don't waste time troubleshooting later. First, charge the headset above 50% and plug in if charging is unstable. This prevents interruption during firmware patches. Once done, open the Oculus app on your phone or PC and sign in so the device can pair. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on and strong, and keep your USB cable and a cleared play area nearby to complete pairing and sensor calibration smoothly. Now you move into the detailed middle steps that fix most issues. Start pairing through the Oculus app. If Bluetooth fails, toggle Bluetooth and retry, because intermittent radio drops are common. Next, install every firmware and app update, and then reboot both the headset and the host device so new drivers load. After that, clean lenses and external sensors with a microfiber cloth, reposition the Guardian boundaries, and run the built-in tracking calibration to restore accurate movement and controller sync. Finish by validating behavior in a short demo session to confirm visuals and tracking are stable. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after backing up your account and content, because resets erase local data but often resolve corrupt firmware states. Make sure to gather serial numbers, app logs, and your OS version for support. If you still need help, contact Oculus support. They can use the logs to diagnose deeper hardware faults or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.